everyone, it's Natasha of NatashasKitchen.com, and on today's episode, we are making a fluffy, moist, and absolutely delicious pumpkin cake. This has a marshmallow-like whipped cream frosting, and you'll be surprised how easy it is. This recipe moves fast, so start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9x13 non-stick baking pan. In the first mixing bowl, combine your dry ingredients. That's 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Whisk together to combine and set it aside. In the second bowl, combine your wet ingredients. That's 3 large eggs, 1 cup of light olive oil or vegetable oil, and 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. And I know you're eyeing my can opener right now. I love this because it doesn't leave any sharp edges, so it's a little bit safer to open a can. And I'll leave a link to this in the notes below. Now whisk all of your wet ingredients together until well combined. Pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and whisk until completely smooth. Transfer the batter to your prepared pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. My oven takes about 35 minutes, or until a toothpick poked in the center comes out clean. Transfer that to a wire rack and let it cool completely to room temperature in the pan before adding frosting. Now the frosting is ridiculously easy. In a large mixing bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 8 tablespoons of unsalted softened butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Beat on medium speed just until combined, then increase to high speed and beat another 2 to 3 minutes, scraping down the bowl as needed. It should be whipped and fluffy. Once the cake is at room temperature, generously spread all of the frosting over the top. All right, so easy. That's so good. It tastes like a marshmallow cream, it's wonderful. All right, now I gotta serve this because I cannot wait to have my share. Okay, so let's slice it up. Ooh, and it's so fluffy soft. And my goodness, it is hard to resist that whipped frosting. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, here we go. And I know some of you are bothered by me taking out the center slice, but I just can't help myself. Can't stop, won't stop, you know what I'm saying? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna be brave. Hoo-wee, I am getting good at this. Okay, where's my plate? Yum, and it's hard to tell when it's in the pan, but this cake is so tall and impressive looking. Oh, and just crazy soft. Ooh. And I like to decorate with these cute little pumpkins. They taste like candy corn, and they're just so good. And super cute. Okay, so one of those on each slice. You can also do this in the pan if you want to. And then a whole bunch of sprinkles, because they're cute. And the kids find them irresistible. They just come running when they see the sprinkles. Except the thing that's not so great is when you get your dessert back and all they ate was the sprinkles, then you know what they really wanted. But this dessert is different. They'll eat this one. Okay, here we go. Going in for the taste test. Ooh, it is so soft and moist. Wow. This just melts in your mouth. Wow. It is the perfect fall treat. Make this and invite somebody over and they will love you for it. I can't wait to enjoy the rest of this. Yum, yum, yum. The crumb is so soft and tender and moist, and you can really taste the pumpkin in here, and it's not too sweet. The frosting is a perfect complement for the cake. This is fabulous and super easy. Make this and you'll impress your family. If you guys enjoy this video, give us a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time for another delicious recipe. For more great desserts that should be served from the center, check out some of our favorites right over here, and click below to subscribe. And when you do, make sure you click that little bell icon and you'll get notifications every time we post a new recipe. We'll see you later.